Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're ready to wear a piece of jewelry that is the ultimate in brilliance and luxury, you are going to love this tennis bracelet that I got from CACESTONE. The design is so elegant and eye-catching. I got the 3mm round cut moissanite tennis bracelet. I love moissanite stones because they are more brilliant, they're more stunning, and they're more dazzling than a diamond because they have a higher refractive index. The bracelet has 40 stones, and moissanite is also known for its durability. It has a really high hardness, so it will resist scratches and you can really wear it on the daily. This bracelet is also sterling silver and it has 18 karat white gold plating. So this is really good if you have sensitive skin. The stones are high quality. In fact, they come with an authenticity certificate. They're D-Color VVS1, which means that they're extremely clear and of excellent quality. The bracelet comes in a really nice gift box. It would make a perfect present for someone, although I have no intention of giving this away. It is definitely staying in my possession. I could not be more pleased by the quality and the look of this bracelet. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.